All right, here we go. So now let's go ahead and go over another function. Again, I've demonstrated it before, but I changed it to translate, right? So for example, the function for create speech in Spanish, or is it make speech in Spanish, right? So I'm asking instead for translation from the arguments dictionary, right? So that way it translates it, plays the sound, and honestly, we don't need to send any response back to the AI because I don't need it, right? So I don't need that link. But I mean, technically, I could get the link, but I don't need it. So let's go ahead and let me just show you what the library looks like. So make speech. So what I did, I added two properties. Query, which is what I ask. Say, hey, please translate X, whatever I say. So that's the query. And then the translation is translation of query, right? So now that you're getting understanding how this works, now you can start to see how we can start developing more complex functions to call, right? More complex queries, which is what I'm going to get into next, and do a shot stack call where the AI will put it all together with the function, and it'll be a dynamic, and I'll build something like this, a small dictionary that'll then be built into something much larger so that we can make a call that produces a video in this case, right? So for example, Siri 2.0.
How can I help you?
Translate this for me. Hey, where is the nearest train station? I need to get home.
Oye, ¿dónde está la estación de tren más cercana? Necesito llegar a casa.
And there you go.
What would you like to do next?
Translate this for me. Hey, I need to get home so I can go buy some food at the supermarket by my house. Can you point me to the nearest train station?
Hola, necesito llegar a casa para poder ir a comprar comida al supermercado cerca de mi casa. ¿Puedes indicarme la estación de tren más cercana?
What would you like to do next?
All right. So as you can see, now you can use this to translate speech for you in any language. Obviously, you got to set the language. And then listen for them to speak and then have it converse with you. And this is all using shortcuts and ChatGPT. And in this case, I'm using Google speech to text, right? Or text to speech. So that's an example. Now that that's clear, and hope it's clearing it up and how to build these functions, now we can move on to do more complex ones.